Hey folks, how's it going? My name is Moshe, and I want to give a huge shout out to Dan. Dan, thank you so much. This quick story over here is that I spent many hours in ClickFunnels. You can see my ClickFunnels over there. I spent definitely over 8 hours trying to figure some stuff out with my domain and the Cloudflare and my membership site, which is totally not working. People had to click the button a bunch of times. I'm not a techie at all. And the first thing is I met Dan because I was able to follow one of his tutorials because I posted in a Facebook group and he said, Moshe, check out this video. And he got me with the first step. The second step of the way, though, I actually need a lot more support. So I had some time together with Dan. We had a consultation, and in just a half-hour consultation, we were able to get done what took me, 10 hours of work, and I didn't even get it done on my own. So thank you, Dan, for getting my funnel working properly, my membership funnel, all the way from my first opt-in page, all the way down to the username and password stuff. Now, the thing I want to say is that today I had a chat with my wife and we were thinking, you know what, this ClickFunnels thing is so hard. It's so hard. Maybe we should just switch over to Teachable or Kajabi or something more, cleaner or simple. And so, Dan, because of the help that you gave me, I do not have to switch out of ClickFunnels. I can keep my membership site right where it is. So thank you very much, Dan. And you can share this with your friends on Facebook. And guys, if any guys or gals, if any of y'all listen to this and you need some ClickFunnels help, I know that Dan spends about 26 hours a day in the ClickFunnels editor. Alrighty, so if you need help, Dan is the man. Thank you, Dan.